Good morning, friends. Welcome to my YouTube channel of astrologer Anil Agarwal. See, I'm talking about the planetary positions in the month of October 2021, and I'd written an article on the 1st of October 2021 mentioning the planetary positions are most venomous because the chart of the lunation chart of 6th October is also most venomous, and on top of it the solar ingress in Virgo and the four planets in the Virgo sign, the sixth house of the natural zodiac, is most venomous. And I had mentioned that on the 2nd of October, Venus is going to go in the sign Scorpio and meet Ketu. And it has been observed in the past, and I had mentioned this in the last article, that whenever Venus gets afflicted, because it is the Lagna Lord and the sixth Lord of the foundation chart of India, the Taurus Scorpio axis is afflicted by Rahu and Ketu. The Cancer Capricorn axis is afflicted by fallen, retrograde, debilitated Jupiter and Saturn. And Rahu Ketu in transit over the natal Rahu and Ketu over the India foundation chart in the 1-7 axis in very close degrees. I had mentioned that the planetary positions are absolutely parallel to the episode like the Sushant Singh Rajput case, and Venus signification will suffer. And you can see for yourself what has happened on the 2nd of October 2021. I had also mentioned that those people who are born in 1949, 1961, 62, 1973, 1980, late and early, then you come to 1985, then you come to 1997, and then if you look back from 2021, 12 years back is 2009, is most venomous because Jupiter was debilitated in, except 1980, Jupiter was debilitated in all these years, and Jupiter was also fallen. It went to Capricorn and it came back in Sagittarius in the year 2009 and also in the year 1949. And China has this combination, and that's why China is suffering. So I'd also mentioned about the Venus significations, and you can see for yourself what has happened on the 2nd of October, and 8 people have been detained in consuming the drugs. I don't want to name the people, but I have discussed. I don't have the birth time, exact birth time of the native. He is born on the 13th November 1997, and he has got debilitated Jupiter, but there is Neech Bhang Raj Yoga. So debilitated planet first gives trouble, anguish and pain, and only then he gets some Raj Yoga. But he will definitely suffer due to anguish and pain, and he will have to go through the pain, and you see for yourself that what is happening. And today at 11 o'clock the court is going to give its verdict, and the planetary positions, the sign Scorpio is rising with Ketu and Venus in Lagna, and Moon is also in fixed sign, Lagna also in fixed sign, and Moon is malefic. Moon is malefic moon, and malefic moon does not support the Aquarist in the 10th house. And there are also very bleak combinations for Baal. Very bleak combinations. They will have to, because he's got Neech Bhang Raj Yoga, so then only he can get after a lot of difficulty. But by and large, he will be in trouble. And if you look at the chart of his father of 2nd November 1965, it is absolutely crystal clear what is happening. The D7 chart has Rahu and Ketu, and Jupiter is afflicted. Although Jupiter is in own sign, but Jupiter is afflicted by Ketu. And in transit also, Jupiter is afflicted by Rahu Ketu. So friends, this is all I wanted to tell you, that as per declination, the results are fantastic because he's running the 24th year of his life. So Jupiter and Venus become more important. Jupiter has Neech Bhang Raj Yog, but Venus does not have. Venus is afflicted. Even in transit days, it is afflicted, and afflicted in the birth chart also. So he will get some relief definitely because of the Neech Bhang Raj Yog of Jupiter. And my feeling is that his dasha will also be related to planets of Jupiter and Venus, because they are the trouble-making planets for him. Maybe of Saturn, dispositor of Jupiter also. So, and the Navamsha, he has got Neech Bhang Raj Yog. Because the other thing is, he has got exalted Jupiter in the Navamsha, and Moon in the natal chart is placed in the 4th house from the debilitated Jupiter. There is exchange of Jupiter and Saturn. So friends, and then I had mentioned one more thing. I had mentioned that after the 27th of September, the coronavirus will take an ugly dimension. And mind you, friends, and also mentioned, as far as India is concerned, the epicenter will be Kerala. Although in India the cases have not surged, but if you look at UK, you look at US, you look at Russia, you look at Japan, you look at Singapore, all are suffering from coronavirus. The coronavirus has surged recently. If you look at the media news, it is giving you yesterday all the countries which have been involved in, maybe it is the third wave or whatever it is, that there is a surge in the number of cases of coronavirus. In Bangalore, 60 students who attended the class, all of them have found to be having coronavirus. So friends, as I told you, from 2nd October to 18th October is the most venomous time, and broadly speaking till 20th of November, because Mercury, and till 2nd of November, because Mercury and Jupiter both are fallen, and whatever is happening is all predicted by me, spot on. Whether it is stock market, you wait and see. Today's stock markets, there can be some surge in these stock markets, but after the 6th, you wait and see what is going to happen. Things are not going to be very easy, and the planetary positions are taking everybody for a ride. You look at what is happening in Congress. I had said that there will be political turmoil, tug of war. And I had also predicted about Navjot Singh Sidhu. I had also predicted about Amrinder Singh, the Chief Minister of Punjab. And I have also predicted of untowards happening. Well, friends, some person commented that I am giving negative predictions, but I can't help it. I am not responsible. I cannot fiddle with in the planetary positions. The idea of telling you all this is that you have to be cautious, and no auspicious celebration should be done in this period. It is just like a glass is half full of water. One person says it is half glass is empty. The other person says half glass is full. So it all depends how you look at things. So this person is negative. The astrologer's duty is to guide people. How can I cannot change the planetary positions, and whatever I am predicting is coming true. So where is the question of my telling a negative? I am guiding you. So strange are the people, and all these people must be having debilitated Jupiter, I am for certain, because they don't have the divine blessings of God. They don't believe in God. They feel they are the best, and they are the strongest, and they can do whatever they feel like. Debilitated Jupiter is a bane, it is not a boon. It will definitely give some troubles, irrespective whether it has Neech Bhanga Raj Yoga. You can see for yourself what happened to Ashrat Ghani. He had a Neech Bhanga Raj Yoga of Jupiter, but he had to run away. Jupiter helped him in running away, but he faced the issues. So all what is happening has been predicted, irrespective I have the birth details, correct birth details or not. Even if I have the day of birth, I can predict through declination method. And I use multiple tools. The Rashi Sangata Chakar, the Nakshatra Sangata Chakar, Chandra Kanal Chakar, Kota Chakar. I use all of them, and the Yama chart, which not even a single astrologer has used. They don't even know what is the Yama chart. So friends, it is very easy to say, but when it comes to predicting, it is very difficult. And it's unless a person is dedicated with sincerity, no predictions can come out true. I can tell you this. Now, you wait and see what happens after the 6th. After the 6th evening, because the lunation chart is of the afternoon, 16:35 hours. So maybe the effect comes on the 7th of October, and if you add 10.5 hours from US, it will be on the 8th of October. 9th, 10th October in any case is not good. I've already mentioned 9th, 10th, 11th, 18th October, 22nd October. So all these dates are most venomous, and then in November, the 3rd, 4th, 11th are most venomous. They are parallel positions like earlier happenings. There may not be deep correction because there some parameters are missing for a deep correction. But Jupiter, mad elephant, has the capacity together with Mercury. Mercury is Karka for weather. Mercury is Karka for travel. Mercury is Karka for stock markets. Mercury is Karka for news, the media. So, so all this. So friends, this is all I just wanted to say. And China, as I mentioned, is in deep trouble. Some countries UK is facing problem because of fuel. China is facing problem because of power and finance. UK is falling multiple problems. US is facing problem because of coronavirus. Although the number of virus cases are now reducing, but they are on the peak. You talk about Russia. Russia has started to surge. The virus number of cases have started to surge. So where is the question? People are asking me, you predicted this, you predicted that, it is not coming true. Gentlemen, it is not only for India, it is for throughout the world. The planetary position not only work for India, they work for throughout the world, but individual charts definitely influence. And I have already mentioned that those countries who have dual signs will suffer the maximum. And India has Capricorn sign, and you wait and see, India will have multiple problems. The farmers' agitation will take ugly shape. All this is not good. What all is happening? The political and Saturn, when it goes in Dhanishta Nakshatra, it will be worst after becoming direct, and when it goes in Dhanishta star after July 2022, you wait and see what happens to the governments. So friends, this is all I just wanted to share, because Jupiter, after Jupiter, one by one, all the planets are getting fallen. Jupiter is fallen. Before that, Mars was fallen. Then Jupiter is fallen. Then Jupiter is fallen twice. 3 times in Scorpio, from Scorpio to Sagittarius, Sagittarius to Scorpio, Sagittarius to Capricorn, and Capricorn to Sagittarius, then Capricorn to Aquarius, and Aquarius to Capricorn. So Jupiter is most afflicted. For the last 3 years, it is getting fallen. And then now Saturn is going, then Venus is going to fall. And then after that, Saturn is going to fall. So you can see for yourself What is going to happen to the economy? People are saying that it will touch 20,000, this and that, and after 20,000, what happens? When Saturn falls in the sign Capricorn, and Capricorn is the 10th house of the natural zodiac, all the political leaders are going to face trouble. It will be a bolt from the blue for the leaders, for the political leaders. So friends, this is all I just wanted to share, that whether it is stock and financial markets, whether it is natural, unnatural calamities, whether it is scams which are being unearthed, and I had already mentioned that scams related to women and scams related to Venus. Venus is with Ketu, and in Rahu Ketu axis, it is obvious all what is happening, the drug thing, and parallel situations like Sushant Singh Rajput's time, 14 June 2020. So friends, this is all I just wanted to share. All my predictions are coming true, and you wait and see, because I am using multiple tools. Not a single astrologer uses so many tools, because they are not paid for it, and I work with passion. Astrology is not my bread and butter. Those astrologers whose bread and butter is astrology, they can never predict properly, because they don't do any research. They don't have time. They are busy making money. And astrology requires concentration, meditation, and sincerely working on it. So this is all, friends, I just wanted to share, that the predictions are going to come true. I have discussed the chart of 11 o'clock. Today, what the results are going to come, results will not be in the favor of the querist. Although the querist has Neechbhanga Raj Yog, at a later stage, he may get a relief if his birth details are correct as per Google. But since he is facing trouble, the year of birth and month of birth seems to be correct, because Jupiter is debilitated now, retrograde and fallen, and he has also Jupiter debilitated. So friends, with this, I thank you all for listening to me. Have a good day. Bye bye.